Yes! Woo! You're getting a biscuit.
Biscuit!
Woo! Come on. Oi, come back, we've got another side. It's a little bit cold, so don't rub the tits off it, but just watch the door when you get in as well. Got to open it up. It's just here on the ramp that catches. You just sit in it though, I'll shut the door.
Oh, bring your leg forward for a second.
Literally, if that touches that ramp, that go put your other leg in as well, yeah. That wrap will just come peeling off. Yeah, you're fine. Josh, you're the expert. What? Come here. You're gonna tell YouTube how it's done, because I'm getting confused. YouTube! I've undone these two bolts. Have you had one of these off before or not? I've undone this bolt and that bolt. There's bolts on the back. Yeah. And then, look. And what I think, like I just said, these bolts here. But have you had one off before? I don't know. But then how does that slip down past here? So if I wobble it, if you look at the top, look round the top now, was that connected or not? Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, they're connected to the top.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Thanks, Josh.
No worries.
Go and work on your fucking lower arms. Bye-bye. I'll call you back when I'm stuck. Yeah. And he's just the apprentice as well. That's why he's a good boy.
Good boy.
Right, I'm going to try that. Stand around this side, don't I? Do this one. Because I think this is where we're going to wire all the vacuum pipes and that into. That's the wiring.
Yeah, but surely you could just use the original vacuum lines for the old...
You can use the original vacuum lines. Yeah. Like from the engine.
No, they've got vacuum lines on the exhaust already.
Yeah, but we're wiring in a
switch.
Remote as well. Yeah, I'm not really sure where I'm going to do that. I think it's somewhere over here. So this is how you get to it. Spoiler off, brace off, screws in here. Should slip straight off. It says. More screws. Alignment? No. No, we don't do tracking, mate. All this fucking 4 o'clock on a Saturday. Is that water, is it? Yeah. It's just like
So like slush or something on there.
Yeah. Mate, that is going to sound incredible, isn't it? Look at the depth on that as well.
12 inches.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit.
There's the hanger there, and then it's just the clamps now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just 2 clamps, hopefully they don't break. Same as the VWs, isn't it? You take them off and then you've got to like bash them off either side.
Heat them up, isn't it?
Yeah. If they snap, I'm done in for then, so I've got no replacements.
That's why I think so, isn't it?
Do you want to hold that up against there?
Yeah. I will put it in.
Oh no, it's alright. Well, I'll just stand it up, mate. I'll just put it there.
Upside down, isn't it?
Yeah, it is upside down, yeah. The size of them boxes though, difference. That's gonna sound mental, isn't it? That is gonna sound absolutely mental. You think about how loud it is now already?
That's probably going to go on now.
Things you can't even start up until it's all fitted. Because you're just going to throw loads of fault codes, got loads of things unplugged. Okay.
Not many things. Yeah, I suppose so, yeah.
Exactly the same as an E92. With that, I reckon.
Mental.
That's got to be 3 times the size, isn't it?
Yeah, easily.
And it goes all the way back here, is that?
Yeah.
Is it
Crazy.
all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive?
Quattro.
Quattro.
Yeah, Quattro, yeah.
Did you think the same year as these, and then the E92s were saying it was actually the same horsepower, 420, 414.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be fun. Good luck.
Thank you. I cannot wait to hear that, man.
Okay.
Right. So, these V-bands.
Yep.
I've undone the bolt here. If these break, I will not be driving my car tonight because I can't get replacements. Because the replacements from Germany, and they take 7 to 10 working days. So this looks pretty bodgy, doesn't it? But when I get hot and cold so often, you've literally got to tap the hammer and flange here. Hopefully they break off. And Josh, what happens if they snap? No car tonight. You can gently tap them. Look at that.
Woo.
And then,
So you know what you're doing.
yeah, like I know what I'm doing. And then, the tricky part, as you can see it's come off here now. Just gotta be freaking careful though. We might need to get a smaller screwdriver. This is the part I was dreading all along. I should have got the replacements earlier on, but when I bought the car, like literally the other day, didn't have time. Out of stock. So, and hopefully we get this one in there. Gentle tap. Mate, that's so low.
What the
We've run out of gas.
Because Josh keeps fucking using it all.
Ah, sake. I've got another one, get the other one. I'm not happy. Unless we hit it from this side. Then,
Oh, there we go.
Oh god, here we go.
stand back. Trusting you to put a fucking heat gun on my brand new car. That's better. Should I go in, shall I?
Come on, give it a go.
Yes! Woo! You're getting a biscuit.
Biscuit!
Come on. Oi, come back, we've got another side. One more to go, yeah?
Good boy.
Good boy.
Yes.
Everything's better with a bit of heat.
There we go.
Look at that.
It's gonna be hot.
And not just a
Pick
pretty
that.
face.
Just take it off.
No. You do it. Do it. Do it.
It's a bit
Leave it there, because then you can put it on the new one. Come on.
There we go. Intact.
Look at that.
Just for the record, we should not be using that in case it
Yes.
comes off. Should be
Yes.
using new ones.
Don't try at home.
Oh.
fire. He's burning.
She's red. Go, go, Jay. Go, 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 go.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh shit! No, 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 no! Oh no!
No way. No.
Oh my god!
Did it snap?
Yeah.
Oh, you're taking the mick.
Oh no. Oh. What did I tell you?
Oh my god, we might have a new bolt.
No biscuit.
We might have a new bolt.
Or just the whole thing. Which we could like snip it then, because that has a crash bar there. So if that say ran up here, it'd go in the crash bar and then out. Yeah. Because you got all this room in here. Let me put this on quickly.
Oh yeah, so. Good. Want away from the
Yeah, it's sounding it.
as much as possible.
So probably go down like that to there. Yeah, because you've got that this as well. Put that sheathing over it as well.
Yeah,
Around this bit.
Yeah, but it's heat protection. So need a little bit.
That saves a lot of work, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think we could reuse those pipes. And look how nicely they ran under there. And that
So all
goes
the
back.
existing stuff then we can use.
I think we can reuse it, yeah.
Because online they like change all this, but that's a ball egg, can I do all that?
Yeah. Well,
It
not
isn't, it ain't.
necessarily. Just think of it as a separate entity. So think of it like, oh, I could run this separately. But I think that comes back to that valve. So if we follow it, there's that line there, and then the other one I think runs here and down there. Yeah, that's the other line. That'll work
this
nicely.
one?
Yeah, pretty sure that's it.
So we can leave that in there then?
Yeah, so if I was to blow through that end, air should come out.
Yeah, that is that one, yeah.
Yeah, I think we can keep that as stock as possible. It'd be much better. Have you got some snips for?
Yeah, I'll supercharged.
Oh, I know. So, we are feeding the wires through into this grommet there that goes through the firewall, and then follow back round. Found a secret passage. Secret glory hole. Through there, and then take this trim off, and I'm going to feed it back through this carpet, and hopefully down through the side, the door panel, and then to the fuse box, where we're going to piggyback it onto another fuse, and that will operate our remotes for the valves open and close. So yeah, all looking good. Not going to rev it, it's cold, but should we leave it running for a couple of minutes, yeah?
Yeah, I need to generate vacuum.
Are you ready? Let's go. Working. Oh yes. Let's get a go with that. So which one's? So that's off. That's on.
That's sweet, man.
Sounds so much better when you touch it. Oh, that's beautiful having that feature in it. Absolutely beautiful. Someone want to give it a rev? Careful with that door though. It feels so special to have a button. Go on. Yeah, just hold that door for 2 seconds. So that's on the off position. So rev it on the off position. Right, I'll turn it on now. Now rev it. mental. What do you think?
I told you that's what you needed, isn't it?
Come on.